Sawadee-ka! Welcome back to Your Thai Buddy, the fun way to learn Thai. Today, we're going to talk about something that makes Thai sound beautiful and sometimes confusing: tones. Now, if you've ever tried saying the word ma in Thai, you might have noticed it can mean totally different things depending on the tone. For example, ma means to come, but ma means horse, and ma means dog. So if you're not careful, you could be saying, I come to school, but actually be saying, horse to school. But don't worry. In this lesson, I'll break down all 5 Thai tones step by step, give you real examples, and some fun drills so you can sound natural and confident in Thai. Ready? Let's jump in.
Okay, before we start practicing, let's answer the big question. What are tones? In English, when we change our pitch, it usually changes the feeling of a sentence. Like if I say, really, going up, it sounds like a question. If I say really, going flat, it sounds serious. But in Thai, the pitch or tone actually changes the meaning of the word itself. So one word like ma can mean to come, a horse or a dog, all depending on the tone. Thai has 5 tones. Let's list them quickly. Mid-tone, flat and steady. Low tone, voice goes down. Falling tone, starts high and drops sharply. High tone, sharp and high-pitched. Rising tone, starts low, then goes up. Think of it like music. Thai is like singing when you talk. If you hit the wrong note, the meaning changes. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how each tone works, and we'll practice together step by step.
โทน 1 มิดโทน เสียงสามัญ
Let's start with the mid-tone. This one is easy. Your voice stays flat and steady like a robot. Say it with me.
Ma. Ma.
Great. It sounds like you're reading a boring sentence with no feelings. That's mid-tone. Now let's hear a person say it.
Ma. Ma.
โทน 2 โลโทน หรือเสียงเอก
Next is the low tone. Drop your voice down. Almost like you're sighing or tired, say,
Ma. Ma.
imagine you're saying, Ma, I'm so sleepy. That's the low tone.
Ma. Ma.
โทน 3 เสียงโท
Now the falling tone. Start high, then drop sharply like you're giving a dramatic no.
Ma. 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 Ma.
โทน 4 ไฮโทน เสียงตรี
The high tone is sharp and high-pitched, like you're calling someone far away.
Ma. 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 Ma.
โทน 5 rising tone เสียงจัตวา
And finally, the rising tone. Start low, then let your voice rise up, like you're asking a surprised question.
Ma. Ma.
Imagine you're asking, really? Ma, that's the rising tone.
Ma. Ma.
Okay, let's put them all together. Repeat after me.
Ma. 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 Ma.
See? Same letters, 5 totally different meanings. That's the magic of Thai tones. Now let's play a fun game. Horse or dog? I'll say a word and you guess. Is it
Ma.
a horse or
Ma.
A cat. Let's get into it.
ม้า
That's a horse.
หมา
That's a dog.
ม้าชอบหมา
The horse likes the dog. Great job today, everyone. You just practiced all 5 Thai tones: mid, low, falling, high, and rising. Remember, tones might feel tricky at first, but the more you practice, the easier they become. Soon, your Thai will sound clear and natural. Now, I want to hear from you. Which tone is the hardest for you? Is it the high tone or maybe the rising tone? Leave me a comment below. I'd love to know. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Sawadee ka!